Hello, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Stockstar Recommendations. Today, we are back again with the recommendations for this week. But before going into that, would like to share with you the progress on the last week's recommendation that we had shared with you all. I hope this is helpful for all of you. We would start with the last week's recommendations from different brokerage houses. So, Coromandel International was the first recommendation where the target is 855. You would be happy to know that the closing price as on 24th July, that was Friday, the last trading day, it closed at 799.55. So the initiation range was 760 to 775, and this stock is up from there and is trading around 800. Actually, it went to a high of 818 on Friday, so it's still in the positive side from the time of recommendation. The next being Cipla. Cipla initiation range was 645 to 667 with a target of 750. If we look at the closing price of 24th July, it closed on 666.05. Again, it's showing a positive trend, and we are almost, up by around 20 points from the initiation range of 645. The third recommendation, which was also from ICICI Securities, is TCS, where the initiation range was 2190 to 2250. If we look at the price now, it's a little lesser than the initiation range, which is 2157.4. So probably if any of you want to participate in this, would you can wait for it to reach the initiation range again and thereby go ahead and place the order maybe. Then the recommendations were from Kotak Securities. The first one being Titan, where the initiation range was 962. Again, it's showing a positive trend, and on Friday it closed on 1057.6. Uh, seems to be in a positive trend as of now. However, it's a 365 days recommendation any which ways, and looks good. The next recommendation was Equitas Holding, where the initiation range was 53 and the closing price as on 24th July is 57. And the third one being DCB Bank, again a recommendation of Kotak Securities, where the initiation range was 82. Here the closing price is little lesser than 82. It closed at 80.35. Then moving ahead, let's look at the Axis Direct recommendations. We had Apollo Hospitals. Apollo Hospitals is right now trading in a higher than the initiation range of 1470 to 1500. It closed at 1512.05. The next is REC Limited, where the initiation range was 103 to 105. Right now, again, it's showing a positive trend and is trading at 106.45. The third recommendation from Axis Direct was Supreme Petrotech, where the initiation range was between 190 to 192. However, it's trading at below the initiation range right now. So the closing price on 24th July was 188.25. Moving ahead, the three recommendations that we had covered from IIFL Securities. First one is Carborundum Universal, where the target is 293.88 and the price as on 24th July has been 244.65. The next being Bajaj Consumer Care. Here the target is 185.33 and we closed at 168.4 on last Friday. And the third one was Minda Corporation, where the target is 101 and the closing price as on 24th July is 70.1. The only recommendation that we had covered from Edelweiss was Lupin, Initiation range was 879 with a target of 950. The closing price as on 24th July is 853.8. One has to be careful on this because probably it's trading more towards the stop loss range. The stop loss as prescribed by Edelweiss is 840. So one needs to be careful and look at the stop loss while placing the trade, or while if you have already placed the trade, to monitor it, one has to look at the stop loss. Now friends, coming to this week's recommendation that we have aggregated from the different analysts and brokerage houses. First one is from Kotak Securities. The recommendation date was 20th of July and the stock name is Indian Oil Corporation. Initiation range is 87. The target is 115. It's a 1 year duration call, so there is no stop loss for this one. The next is from ICICI Securities. The recommendation date is 22nd of July and the stock name is Relaxo Footwears. The initiation range for this stock is 618 to 634 with a target of 679 and stop loss of 585. Here the duration is 14 days. The third recommendation also from ICICI Securities. The recommendation date was 21st of July and the stock name is SBI, State Bank of India, that is. Initiation range is 188 to 195 with a target of 220 and a stop loss of 177, duration being 14 days. Guys, please note we have this as a common recommendation from Edelweiss as well, where the which is the last one if you are looking at the slide, which was recommended on 20th of July, State Bank of India, where the initiation range was also 188.2 with a target of 207. Please note the target date being different for ICICI Securities and Edelweiss. ICICI Securities is looking at a duration of 14 days with a target of 220, whereas Edelweiss recommendation is for the duration of 1 to 3 months with a target of 207 and a stop loss of 169. So this is the only common stock between two brokerage houses that we could gather for this week's recommendation. Next are the 4 recommendations from Axis Direct. Axis Direct recommendation of ITI. Initiation range is 135 with a target of 160 and stop loss of 132. Please note for Axis Direct recommendations, the duration are 5 to 15 days from the date of initiation. The second one is PVR. The recommendation date was 24th of July with an initiation range of 1090 and target of 1190. The stop loss being 1070. And the duration for this recommendation is also 5 to 15 days. The third recommendation from Axis Direct, which also came on 24th of July, the name of the stock is Amber Enterprise and the initiation range is 1463 with a target of 1588 and a stop loss of 1440. The duration of this recommendation is also 5 to 15 days. The next recommendation from Axis Direct is HUL, Hindustan Unilever, where the initiation range is 2160 with a target of 2380 and stop loss of 2120. The duration for this recommendation is also 5 to 15 days. Friends, I have already covered the last recommendation, which is from Edelweiss, that is State Bank of India, while I was covering the ICICI Securities recommendation, because SBI is in the recommendation list of both ICICI Securities and Edelweiss. The difference being the target, though. Edelweiss target is 207 with a stop loss of 169 and the duration of this call is 1 to 3 months. Guys, that's it this week from Stockstar. I hope you find these recommendations useful. Please share your feedback. The email for sharing feedback, or if you have any queries, or if you want us to cover anything in addition to what we are covering, is stockstar0@gmail.com. I'll repeat, stockstar0@gmail.com. And as I have mentioned in the first video also, that Stockstar is an Android app which is available, where you can look at the Nifty 50 stocks and probably try to gauge the performance of those stocks. You can actually predict the closing price of the stock for a particular date, and if you are the one who is closest in terms of guessing the closing price, then probably you stand to win some rewards as well. For more details, please download the app, which can at present be downloaded only in Android devices. And for any queries, please feel free to write to stockstar0@gmail.com. And we will be back next week with fresh set of recommendations. Till then, goodbye. Have a safe week ahead. Thank you.